What's up, family of strong soul survivors? It's your sister, Soul Survivor, back at you once again with another video. I want to share with you, yeah, you, who's watching this video, on how to grow your own food in this pandemic, or just to sustain you and your family to a better life, to actively grow your own produce. So we don't always have to run up to Walmart, run to the store here and there. We are too dependent on the government to take care of us. So let's start actively taking care of ourselves by growing our own food. Now, I'm dressed like this because this is my new get up. This is my farmer get up. Check me out. This is all me right here. From the headgear on down. Yeah, my sister, Nehetep Connoisseur, she did all the work to this. Let me give you a back view before we get into this video. I just wanted to let y'all see my gear here. Here's my headgear here. Okay, the God of Peace, the Pearl Goddess. That's me. That's the name. That is what my name means. Pearl Goddess. I didn't just name myself that. That is my name. And I am a soul survivor. Okay? So just to give you a little bit. I am my ancestors' wildest dream. Yeah. And I am also a part of the northeast side of Oklahoma City farmers group. Okay? So I joined them the end of last year. I've really been wanting to get into farming for a while. My grandparents and great-grandparents are true sharecroppers, so it's in my blood. I've always wanted to do it, but being so busy, running the street, running here and there, this quarantine really pushed me into it even more, to start gardening in my flower beds, to garden in pots, to show you all that who don't have flower beds, you can also get pots and grow your own food. If you're in an apartment or condo and you do not have flower beds, you can get pots, okay? To grow your own food. All you need is seeds, and it's a lot cheaper, and it's a beautiful thing to see something grow. I love to see things grow, and I love to see people grow, and I want to see you grow, okay? So let's get busy. So I had to take up some daffodils, which is here. They already bloomed already. These are the first flowers that bloom. I'm going to transplant them in another bed, but I'm not so concerned with flowers anymore, beautifying my yard. My thing is to grow some food, so for me and my family, so we can eat. If we can't get out to eat, to go to the grocery store, at least we can come in our yard and pull it up and cook it. All we need is some land. More land for some cattle. Okay, but anyway, to switch up, this is some poke salad that was planted like 2 years ago, and I have not cooked it because I need a good recipe. So I am going to pluck it up and cook it, and I'm going to share that with you also. So anyway, I got these gloves on because I don't want to get my hands all dirty, but I do want to show you what I'm planting. Is spinach, okay, and you have to plant 1.5 to 1 inch down and 6.5 inches apart. Sun/shade. Got the shade from a tree, my weeping willow here, and then it's going to take about 45 to 55 days to come up. Okay, so I've already dug a trench here, so I'm not really picky on, putting the seed here and there. Oh, put a little pinch here and there and run it on down. I believe that's what my ancestors did. They wasn't measuring all that. They wasn't doing all of that. Okay? I didn't do that for the poke salad, and I'm not doing it for this. So it will work. You can do whichever way you want to do it. You can follow the instructions on there, or you can do your own thing and see what transpires from it. Okay. Just kind of spread your seeds out. I've already dug a trench, and this is the time now to plant this spinach. Love spinach, love spinach. Put it in my salad. I eat it by itself. I stir fry it, whichever way. I just love spinach. I'm just gonna put a little bit there and just cover it back up, just like that. And of course, I'm going to water it, just like that, okay? And pat it down, and there you are, okay? I'm going to also plant some lettuce. I'm gonna put this here, okay? And then you want to go ahead on and get you a stick so you know, and put on the back. I'm gonna write on the back here, 45 to 50 days. I'm gonna put the date on here is what I'm gonna do. And just stick a hole in here. What do y'all want? See? And just turn it around. That way I know. Even though it's upside down, you don't know, that don't matter. I'm gonna do it right. What do y'all want? Kill. You want some food? Huh? Let me get them some food right quick. Hold on, survivors, because these are my babies. And I don't normally feed them food, but I don't normally feed them bread, but I have a lot of bread that was given to me. So to take care of them, I usually feed them corn because they say bread is a slow killer for ducks. So I feed them corn that I buy from the store. They know where to come get the goods from. So, and if I ever get hungry, maybe one day, no, I ain't gonna kill them. These are my babies. These are my babies. I won't kill them if I need to survive. Just had to put some in their mouth and quiet them down while so I can finish my video. Okay, so for those of you that stay in duplex, apartment condos, or whatever. Oh, I forgot to put my Epsom salt too. Epsom salt is also good for planting, which I did not know. I'm learning. I'm learning. That's all I can say. I'm learning. Oh, they are in big clumps. So what I'll do, I'll just put it on the top of it. And when I water it, it is here. There we go. Just do it like that. Okay? And there you are. There we go. Got me some spinach coming up in what, 50 some days or so. Maybe sooner. Okay, so those in a pot. And if you do is just move it around. Let me put my gloves back on now. You know what's already. Don't come back over here begging, y'all. Go head on now. Go on now. Okay, so. So this is squash, and it's the perfect time to plant it right now. And it says 1 inch down. I've already put my Epsom salt plant food supplement in there. I'm gonna mix it up real good. 1 inch down. There we go. Okay, here they come back again. Okay, come on. 3 feet to 4 feet spacing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm probably not gonna use all of these, just like I didn't use the others. So one here, one there. All it needs is 1 inch. One there. Okay, just work your way around the pot as you go around. One there, 1 inch. And I measure by my finger, just like that. You'd be surprised how stuff grows. You don't have to do too much to it. But I love to see things grow. I love to see people grow. I love to see people surviving instead of depending on the government to take care of all our needs. I run into the store. I know my grandma used to go in the backyard and just pull up something in a heartbeat and come inside and cook it, and we'd be full it in the filling station. Yeah, she took good care of us, and that's it, and that's all. But and you just pat it down, and you make sure you water. If you do not have your soil right, you like right now, we do not know, we can't go anywhere and get our soil checked because everything is closed. But what you need is cottonseed mulch, and you need a compost, and you need worm casting, and you mix so much of it up together, and you pour it on top of your soil, and then you go head on and start planting what you want to plant and where you want to plant. The most important thing is make sure you have enough space for it to grow and thrive. So when you get ready to pull it up, everything is all good, okay? So just remember, look, all you need is a little seed. It doesn't cost much. All of these seeds was given to me. I got a whole bag of nothing but seeds. I got a lot of planting and growing and all kind of stuff to do. So I've got to get to work. And you should be ready to get to work too. Don't depend on no one to take care of you and your family. Take care of you and your family. Make sure y'all got plenty to eat. Stop running to depend on Walmart and other grocery stores to supply your needs. All you need is some dirt in a pot. And if you have a yard, you'd be surprised. What I didn't know about mixing flowers and food together. I didn't think you can do nothing like that. I just thought it was just flower beds was just for flowers, but you can also mix the flower and the food together. Just make sure that you have enough space, which I did, and I'm gonna plant a little bit more stuff here, but I've got to pull up some more of my daffodils, and then when I pull up that pork salad, I'll have enough to do some more. I'm gonna do some bib lettuce. I've got watermelons, I've got pumpkins, I've got a lot of seeds that was just given to me, and I'm gonna make use of them. So, hey, wherever you are, it don't matter where you are in your life, plant your own food, do your own thing. Let's stop depending on the government to take care of us. Let's go back to what our ancestors used to do, and they took care of their own. They took care of themselves, the families, everything. So let's get back to that, and we don't even have to worry about all of this extra, stuff that they got going on now. What we gonna eat here, where we gonna go here, and all of this extra stuff. So, anywho, I think I covered it all, and I would like to know if you're a farmer and you're planting, what are you planting? What are you growing, and where? And share this video. Share it, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. I'm not I'm not a master gardener. I do have it in my blood. Like I said, my grandparents and my great-grandparents were sharecroppers, and so I'm gonna stir up some of that gift, okay, that they left for me on this earth. So, did I cover everything? Okay, I think I did. And if I didn't, leave me a comment below and let me know, because I'm still growing. I'm growing as I'm trying to grow fruits and vegetables so we can live a sustainable life, and hey, and thrive. I love y'all. Peace and blessings. I am your Sister Soul Survivor. Mwah. Wadu. See you next video.